Hello friends. Welcome to Purushottam Academy. Please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for further notifications regarding our videos. 30 Presidential Facts about Joe Biden. After winning the 2020 presidential election, Joe Biden became the 46th President of the United States of America. He may not be popular with everyone, but he had enough backing to become Donald Trump's successor. Biden has worked within the US governmental system for decades and has been a record breaker throughout his career. His consistency and dedication to his work have allowed him to implement life-changing laws and help the country's progression. He has also experienced a turbulent life, filled with tragedy and loss as well as success and wealth. Biden's experiences have shaped him into the character he is today. Here we are going to look at the facts about the 46th US President, Joe Biden. Biden's full name is Joseph Robinette Biden Jr. He is 78 years old and was born on 20th November 1942 in Scranton, Pennsylvania. Biden has a stutter, and to improve his speech, he has been reciting poetry since his early 20s. Biden was drafted for the Vietnam War but failed his medical test due to his asthma. Biden met his first wife whilst on spring break in the Bahamas. They married in 1966 and had their first son in 1969. In 1967, Biden purchased a puppy for his wife Nelia and called it Senator. In 1972, Biden made history by becoming the fifth youngest senator in the US at age 29. Shortly after, Biden lost his wife and daughter in a car accident in 1972, and both sons were hospitalized with severe injuries. When Biden became a senator, he took the official oath from his son's hospital room. Following the accident, Biden started taking the 75-minute-long Amtrak from his home in Delaware to Washington for the next 30 years. The Amtrak crew became family, and Biden regularly hosted barbecues at his home for conductors and crew members. After going on a blind date set up by his brother, Biden married Jill Tracy Jacobs in 1977. In February 1988, Biden underwent surgery for a brain aneurysm. 3 months later, he had the same surgery after a second aneurysm was found. In 2000, Biden became senior senator of Delaware. Shortly after, Biden became the longest-serving senator of Delaware in history. Beau, Biden's eldest son, died in 2015 due to a battle with brain cancer. Biden had 4 children, Beau, Hunter, and Naomi with his first wife, and Ashley with his second wife. Obama surprised Biden with the Presidential Medal of Freedom on 12 January 2017 during a White House ceremony. On 1 February 2017, Biden and his wife Jill founded the Biden Foundation. As of 2018, Biden became the 18th longest-serving senator in the U.S. On 25 April 2019, Biden ended the Biden Foundation to focus on his campaign for president. Biden has run for president 3 times, in 1988, 2008, and 2020. Biden is the oldest president to be inaugurated in American history. On 24 November 2020, Biden once again went down in history by becoming the first president to receive more than 80 million votes. He was the first president-elect in U.S. history to mention transgender people in his victory speech. Shortly after the election on 29 November 2020, Biden slipped whilst playing with his dog, Major, and was left with hairline fractures in his foot. Biden's favorite movie is Chariots of Fire, 1981. Biden is a car enthusiast and owns a 1967 Corvette Stingray, which his father gave to him as a wedding gift. Biden is 6 feet, 1.83 meters, tall. Biden might not be the perfect president, and there are many questions around his history. But many believe he is a step in the right direction for the US. His progressive mindset and tragic life experiences allow him to excel within his government role and understand what people need. Biden has had challenging moments throughout his life. We can only hope that his vast wealth of experience will help him become an amazing president for the United States. Please subscribe to Purushottam Academy for more videos.